Okay, guys, look up, hey, smile, hey. Nice. So we're having fun here. All bundled up. We're doubling up. See, I'm doubling up, as y'all can see. Because it's gonna be super duper cold. See, so look at me right now. I'm doubled up with like tons of layers. I got my gloves. I got everything. There we go. I'll show you guys. Pay's doubled up too. Pay, put this hood on. It's gonna be cold, okay? Double up. Like, let me see. Let me see. Oh, you're so cute. It's like a little bear. It's like if you fall, she's just gonna go rolling. And look at that view, guys. Ooh, man. Up here in the mountains. This is great. We're gonna have some fun. Mommy's bundled up right there. Oh yeah, we're like, hold it, not over the car. Let's get a little bit of Evan. Hi, Evan. Oh my gosh, you're gonna have to. You're so cute. You get a nap. Uncle? You got a little nap. All right. Like your socks. Wow. Oh yeah, we're gonna have some fun. Awesome. Smile. Nice.
You're in hot lava, you have to yell every time. You have to swim over here.
Oh yeah. That's good. All right, Evan. You're so small. You're gonna
put
get
on your
big.
jacket real quick and then so I can get.
Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Hon, did you take my ears? Alright guys, so this is where we're gonna buy some tickets. Doing a quick bathroom stop. Tram View patio. Some gift shop in case you forgot jackets. And there's Patrick grabbing stuff. His alfalfa hair. Yeah. Alright guys, so the fare is $26 for an adult, $17 for children. Just showing you. Pretty high, so we're just showing you guys the view here. Wow. And see if we could spot a ram. They kind of chill in these little rocks up here sometimes. But
I can zip line that.
You zip line that? Nice. And there's Patrick.
I can do like this.
Oh my gosh. There we go. We're just in the hangout area here. Nice. We could look in these things to look at the view up there. That's nice. Oh, you see it, Peyton? I want to show you guys the visitor guide and map. See, you got that. That's what it looks like. Ooh, enjoy the tram. Don't go that way, Patrick. Go back up. You're going to fall. Yeah, go back on the steps. Go back on the steps. I don't need you falling down the rocks and hurting yourself.
Look, Patrick.
Yeah, there we go. Just show you guys some of that. You could do that. There's a dining in there. Here it goes, guys. You see it right there? Traveling. I should have got it when it was coming, but it's going now. We're going to be on that soon. Oh, yeah. There's the line right there. The line, it goes all the way across. It starts from down there. Got a nice little picture shot right here in front of the waterfall. Nice. Let's do it, guys. Go, Pay. Get in the picture. Get in the picture.
What's a snake in there?
Yeah, that's all right. It's not like you're gonna jump inside. There ain't no snakes in there anyway. Nice. There you go. That's the ram statue. We're waiting to board right here. Boarding. Right through there. Ram statue. It's Evan. That's Ethan. Oh, you okay, Ethan? Careful, buddy. There's Pay. Got our tickets. We're about to head up. Right up there, you see the gondola going. Tram going all the way down. We're gonna be on that in a second. The mechanics right there, guys. Cool. Alright, we're almost gonna board. Springs. Alright, this Alright, Robert B. Ficker, boarding room. Here we go. We're almost on, guys. Check it out. Nice. Here we go. Yeah, there it is. Wow, Christmas tree. Look at it. That's it, guys. Let me show you real quick. We're gonna be all bundled up in there. What's up? What's up? Who's what? I don't know who that is.
So fast.
Yeah.
I was already. Okay, never mind.
No, I took it already. It's alright. We got it. This is cool. Oh, I guess we going through here or.
We don't know it's a guess.
We got to. Oh, okay.
So you don't know. It might be through there. It might be through here.
Yeah,
This
one
guy
of
will
it.
let you know.
Yeah, this guy probably will. Right, there it is, guys. Yeah, there's one coming down right there. There's our gondola or our tram coming towards us. We're about to load it up, guys. We're all right here. See, it's all the peoples right here. Ethan, we're about to load up. There's our tram. It's coming. All right. So this is what it feels like to be on the thing. Peyton, you okay? Shh, Patrick, chill. It's alright. There we go. We're just right there. Now we got the window right here. Nice.
Yeah, so then that way.
Window shot. Oh yeah.
I know.
Always. Oh yeah,
Oh
selfie. Oh yeah. So we're here. We're
hang on to this when we're moving.
We're gonna be swaying a little bit.
I'm also going to shut the rotation on the floor. Only the lower rotate all the way up to the window.
3 times.
Okay, this is not bad because I kind of went on this like the bath in Calgary, and so it's not that bad. But like I said, if I was actually doing myself,
This is not a high.
we're getting the high. See, now it's gonna start to rotate. Ready?
Oh wow! Look at that view, guys. Nice. It's nice. We're high up there. When it breaks, it'll like swing. That's so cool. View. Beautiful. It's pretty high, eh? Wow. You guys, how high we're going here. Wow. Nice
Did you see
view.
up there? Look up there. That's how we're going all the way up there.
Black maple has a great
Nice.
deal of wild grape.
Patrick, are you okay?
We have to hike down.
Feel the air now.
So later when we get to the top, we'll hike down to the
During our movie,
where they have that.
Peyton, peace. Nice.
Her ears are popping.
Are they? Oh yeah, my ears are popping too. My ears are popping too. Oh my gosh, I got scared all of a sudden. That's high.
I know.
Whoa, man.
experience the swinging motion. Tram car
Pretty
transition.
high.
Track cable over the tower, saddle in the back of the tram.
You'll see the tram coming.
Downward car and tram.
On the left, you see it?
Oh, you see the tram? There's the tram. It's all in bud. Wow, that's
Those both
high.
cars are tied together with a falling cable.
Wow, that's high.
You see, the drive.
Alright guys, we just passed the 3rd tower. Now we're super duper high. Look at that. Nice. Still going and going.
Up on top of the
It's cool, man. Rest stop up in the cafeteria area. Eating some candy canes. Alright, there's Alan and Evan. We got some Christmas trees, nice little area. A little view out there, which we could probably go check out in a sec.
85.
Oh yeah, he did. Patrick got some hot dog sandwich. Hey, what are you eating? Nothing? Oh, nice. Alright.
That's their favorites.
Yeah. Alright guys, I'm out here by myself showing you guys some of the view out here. Check it out. Ooh, that's a nice shot. Look at that. That's all Palm Springs right there. People taking pictures on the ledge. We're out here. Looking good. That's the gondola that we just came up. Right there. Okay. Man, this is nature right here, guys. This bench right here. We're in this place. Nice. Let's go back in. I just want to show you guys that view real quick. It's beautiful. The air is cold. It's crisp. Now we're back in here. Alright. That's good. Back at our table. Just chilling. Yeah.
You want to see what everybody's doing?
Oh, you're so cute. You're fed? You're happy now? Oh, look at you.
Oh, really?
Oh my gosh, you're so cute. You can't eat this yet, don't worry.
You want to eat your food then, Mommy?
Yeah, you'll get your food. Yeah. Oh.
Ethan, where are you going, honey? Mama? Okay. Take a picture with Uncle.
You're so cute. Hi, babe.
Hi.
Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
It's like, what's your plans for New Year's?
Yeah. It's like back to another area. It's Pay and Evan. Oh, the babies. Babies are interacting. Oh, that's so cute. Yeah, oh, so cute, littles. Look at that. Oh, oh, they're so cute.
Why
So
does he
small.
look like babies? It's no fair.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
So you got some sideline fries,
You watch me.
sandwich.
Yeah, I know.
We can hold
Okay, I'm gonna show you guys some of the view. Let's check it out.
We're
Okay, ready, boys?
Okay, there. That's a
Oh wow, look at that, guys.
There you go.
Wow.
Alright, turn around.
Oh, hey guys, we're doing the view.
Watch out, Peyton.
Nice, look at that. Ooh, high flying nature. Here we are. Wow, look at that, guys. Brontosaurus right up in here. Wow, Brachiosaurus. And then on that other side too. And there's a T-Rex right there. Awesome. We'll go take some pictures, hang out. Morongo Cabazon. What up, guys? Alright, here we go. This is the place we got. It's right here. Okay. Give you a little view of it. The front. Let's go around. There you go. See that? See that? See that? So going in. Let's check it out. The very front right there. Just pay.
You got our car keys?
Mommy. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I got it. I never lock them in. Well, I better not say that. But, okay. Somebody's calling you, I think. It's probably her, maybe. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys around. This is the TV entrance. Boom. It's got a little decoration. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the dining room. Not dining room, I mean family kitchen. Dining room's over there. It's a kitchen. A microwave, we got a stove, we got a refrigerator right here. Fridge there, okay. This is the bathroom. Okay, it's cool. There's the dining room. There's a room here. This is the room I'll be sleeping in because supposedly we got it, but the fan's broken. It keeps spinning. I like it cold anyways, so nice. Nice room from this view. Okay, guys, awesome. I'm gonna show you some more. Mommy's just getting stuff unpacked a little bit. I'm gonna go upstairs and show you. There you go. Got some soaps they left us. And there's the kids up on the staircase. I'm gonna show you up here. Master bedroom right here. Okay, there it is. Okay, you got your closet space. Okay, there you go. There's a shower. Okay, nice. There's the other room. Hey, so this bathroom's locked, hun. We can't use it.
Which one?
The one.
No, because Ethan's in there.
Oh, Eden's in there. Okay, okay. I was like, so. Okay, so
Well, I have Evan right now.
there's Evan. There's Pei. Hey, Pei. Careful, Pei. Okay, go downstairs, Pei. Don't fall. And then, yeah, so we got a bathroom there upstairs, and we got one in the master bedroom. Look at Evan. Evan, do you know? Yeah? Oh, yeah.
Silly.
He is silly. You're silly. Alright, guys, so I'm having it, the Philly cheesesteak again. My universal favorite. Is it pretty big? Oh, man, that's a big piece. That's Alan's prime rib. A medium rare. I like that. Wow. Mommy got baby back ribs with a baked potato. Patrick had mac and cheese right there, which I finished. And he had some fries right here. He had chicken fingers, broccoli. Was it good, Peyton? Like Sam's got lobster over there. It looks good. Nice.
We got
Thanks.
all different.
Oh yeah, we all got different. That looks good though.
Guys
All right,
want some
guys.
ribs?
I'll try one.
Sorry.
No, just save me one later, huh? Alright guys, so I gotta say this Philly cheesesteak is a winner. I used to go around and try every place's Philly cheesesteak to compare. My number one taste was Valtero's Pizza's Philly cheesesteak. Yeah? Oh my gosh, she's eating like ranch with her fingers. Anyways, this one I gotta say is definitely really good. Outback Steakhouse, highly recommended Philly cheesesteak. It's soft, the meat's tender, just melts in your mouth. You got like some bell peppers. Anyways, yeah.